What's up you guys, welcome back to another great recipe video. Today we are making world's best lasagna. It's an oldest Italian pasta dish. We will be making this specifically, this recipe, it's gonna be called protein packed lasagna. For the protein, we are using the chicken breast meat, okay? So this is chicken breast meat. It's already into cube forms. First of all, we will mince the meat a little bit more. You can put in a food processor and mince it, but I want the meat to be a little bit chunky in this protein packed lasagna. So what we will do, we will just chop the meat. I'm making this lasagna only for myself actually. So how should I say, I'm using at least 2 pounds of chicken breast meat. Alright, so this is the 2 pound of chopped chicken breast. Heat up your pan, add vegetable oil in there, and take the chopped chicken. Just adding the meat for now. So remember now guys, cook it on the highest flame possible. Once you add all the meat, add half tablespoon of paprika, or a whole spoon, depends how spicy you want. Add half spoon of garam masala, or you can use the 5 seasoning powder. Add half spoon of regular table salt with a stir. So at this point, right, you will just stir fry the chicken. Trust me, it's gonna be a delicious lasagna recipe. Alright, so it's been 7 to 10 minutes. We have been stir frying our chicken, right? Get yourself tomato, onion and garlic pasta sauce, right? You get that and add 4 tablespoons of the sauce in here. Now we will stir fry the chicken with the sauce on the high flame for another 10 minutes. So at this point, it's been altogether 15 minutes. I have some fresh basil. This is organic fresh basil. Take out some of the leaves, not the small ones. So we will just grab some of the leaves, the big guys. Wow, it smells so amazing. The fresh organic stuff, guys, the vegetables, they are always just wow. Check this. This is the fresh basil. Give it a rough chop. And just add right on top of your chicken tikka masala. It looks good. Let's turn off your stove. Alright, now it's time. Perfect time to build our pasta. So I'm using this bowl. It's a microwavable. You can put it in oven. Let me show you the lasagna. Again, get yourself oven ready lasagna. It no need for boiling, no need to put it in hot water. It just needs a little bit extra time when you're baking it. See, the chicken is roasting up. We will grab the chicken straight from the pan and make our first layer at the bottom of the lasagna pan or bowl. Depend what kind of pan or lasagna and for how many people you are making. So make a thin layer. It should have a sauce in there as well. So check the tikka masala. Oh my god, it smells so delicious. Oh wow, delicious. All right, grab your pastries, the lasagna pastry. Lasagna. Okay. So for now, check this. It's a little bit bigger in size. I'll just cut it or break it from the middle and add it right here. Right on top of it. Just like that. Place this. We can place one more actually. So let's place one more. I'm just making sure it form a perfect paste. A perfect size. Grab Italian cheese, shredded one, and make a layer right on top. It's gonna be a heavy layer for now. So this is our first cheese layer, the Italian cheese layer. It looks so good, right? Grab some of the cheddar cheese. Again, handful of cheddar cheese. Make a layer of cheddar cheese. Just like this. So they're both gonna form a perfect paste. Grab tomato, onion, and garlic, red sauce, a little bit. And just sprinkle some right on top of it. It's gonna keep our cheese, our lasagna at the bottom, moist. Put another layer right on top of it. Okay, there you go. Another layer of lasagna. I couldn't find the right size of it, so that's why you guys are hearing the cracking of the lasagna. Okay, make one more layer of the tikka masala on top of it. Oops, I'm just rushing it, I should not. Okay, so one more layer, check this, the tikka masala, right on top of our lasagna. This is the protein packed lasagna, guys. So every layer will have a kick of proteins. See, it's all evenly balanced. I'm gonna add 3 more layers of the lasagna sticks right on top of our tikka masala. Just like this. And just press it down. It's gonna go down. Looking so good, right? For now, it's looking a rough job, but trust me, once it's ready, it's gonna be a delicious recipe ever. We are just in the middle of it right now. Okay, some of the cheddar spread evenly. Take a look here. It's still gonna go down. Grab your chicken. Yum, yum, yum. Put it right on top of the cheese. This is a protein pack, guys. Oh my god, the tikka masala, the aroma I'm getting, it's amazing. Wow. Looks delicious, huh? Isn't it? Grab some more cheddar cheese. Cheddar cheese is gonna help the chicken to stay intact. This is the first thing. Grab some of the red sauce. Here you go, guys. One more layer of Italian blend cheese. Just spread it evenly. So this is our lasagna bowl, guys. Let me show you the layers. If you guys see the layers, the tikka masala, the cheese, the chicken, the lasagna strips, the chicken, and the cheese. Alright guys, we will bake this. It's gonna take at least 30 minutes. So we will bake our lasagna, the protein packed layered lasagna at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. So I'll see you guys after 30 minutes. So guys, after 30 minutes, it's fully roasted. Oh wow, the smell of the cheese, amazing. Oh wow. Okay, once you take out after 30 minutes, let it at least settle for 10 minutes. If you guys come closer, it's still boiling. So take a look here. It's still like sizzling. I don't want to touch it, Wanna wait a little bit for it. So, protein packed chicken tikka protein packed chicken tikka masala lasagna. Lasagna is ready, guys. This is our lasagna server. Here goes the first dip. I should wait a little bit more, but everybody says make it quick. Okay, so we made our way inside like this. Releasing the sides. It's still hot, actually very hot. All right, guys, this is the biggest portion ever. I took out the whole half pot of our lasagna. It's protein packed, guys. I'll just put fresh basil right on top of it. Here you go, guys. I got the bigger plate, so I was like, let me take out the whole, but no, one portion is enough. So here you go, guys. Homemade, fresh chicken tikka masala lasagna. Call it chicken tikka masala lasagna, isn't it? It looks good. This is the moment of truth of our beautiful lasagna. Let me just cut a slice. Oh yeah, take a look here. Yummy, right? Let me cut another slice. Oh yeah, the basil is yummy. Oh yeah, let me put the basil in the middle for now. And check the chicken. It's done. It doesn't look as pretty as it tastes, but this is a protein packed lasagna, guys. Oh wow, the best ever good tasting lasagna right here, guys. With the fresh basil touch. Anyway, guys, do try this easy, simple recipe. Make for yourself the chicken tikka masala protein packed lasagna. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Some recipes. This is the oldest pasta recipe I have shared, guys. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.